Welcome, Vaidehi, to your first mock interview. Let me quickly introduce to our panelists. We have Abad sir and Taruna Vasu ma'am with us. So, Taruna Vasu ma'am, she is currently the Associate Director and Head of Department of School of Fashion Designing at UID. And Abad sir is the business head of Pahel Design and Management expert with more than 12 plus years of experience. All the best, Vaidehi. Over to you, Abad sir.
Okay, thank you. Hi, Vedi. Vedi, what was your passion incline? When did you choose this fashion industry?
Actually, I'm currently pursuing a degree in mechanical engineering. I was always inclined towards fashion because my mom is really fashion freak and she always inspires us to wear good clothes and always keep us like what's trending and always that. And I was not aware about it, but one of my friends said that you are inclined towards fashion, so you can go for it. So
Okay, what course you're going for?
this
Which course you're going for?
degree in mechanical engineering. Sorry, MFT, Master in Fashion Technology.
Okay. Why don't you choose other courses like MFM and Master in Design?
So I was actually MFT is a field which covers all the technical aspects of design in the technical ways.
Is this you who decided or someone else has recommended you this?
I myself decided
So what are the course specialization they will offer?
garment designer, accessory designer, as well research and development executive.
Okay. So do you know anybody who has, working into industry after completing MFT? Okay. How many campuses are offering this course?
NIF New Delhi, NIF Navi Mumbai, NIF Chennai, NIF Ahmedabad, and NIF Hyderabad.
Okay. So which city in India you like the most and why?
Delhi, because as Delhi is the capital city of India and it is also called as for everything first. Like anything comes to India, there is a big chance that it is going to start with Delhi. So and actually I
It has an echo, I guess. Your voice is getting echo. You're using headphone, right?
yes,
That's my the reason. Okay, not an issue. So whether what technical specification you are specialized into your graduation?
so as mechanical is a very diverse field. I have learned electrical, electronics, CAD, CAM, automobile, and civil also.
Okay. And what you liked if you not have this option, what are the options you choosing?
I'm not choosing anything. I'm
You haven't decided anything other from NIF.
no, my first priority is left and
Second.
So that's what the second is. If you have first, then of course there'll be a second. If you have the first priority NIF, what is the second priority?
I have no backup plan.
So you don't
And
have plan B, right?
there could be a chance if you do not get Khuda na Khasta, then
See why we are asking this question, right? That's very important. You cannot be very sure about things, right?
Yes,
You can be confident, and of course, you should be confident about your seat into NIFT that you deserve that seat, but that's very important. Over to you, ma'am.
hi Vaidehi. Where are you from, Vaidehi?
I'm from Maharashtra and I belong to the city which is a probably cotton trade center and was historically significant in Gandhian era.
I'm sorry, because of the echo I could hear. Which city in Maharashtra?
From Wardha.
Okay, from Wardha. Okay. And you wanted to, you've done your mechanical engineering and want to get into fashion technology. I hope you had a good look at the differences between design, technology, and the management courses. Because the technology course will not have too much of design.
Yes.
It will be about the making
Machines
sides.
and-
Yeah. It will be about production, all of those aspects, and garment manufacturing technology and all of that. So, anyways, uh, what is it that attracts you about fashion, apart of course from your mother, but what do you find really fascinating from your perspective about fashion?
I love. I love to pick up good, new styles, and I love designing. I love the detailings of the clothes.
Do you have any idea about, because it is a manufacturing, it's a FT course. Uh, since when? What is the status of the industry in India? What sort of manufacturing units do we have? Uh, who are the big garment makers in India? Any company that makes a lot of clothing? Do you have some idea about all of this?
Yes, Urban Mills and Reliance.
Mhm. They make fabric more, of course, they're both into garments also. Have you heard of some export houses in India? Are you aware that a lot of brands world across the world get their clothes made in India?
Yes. Uh,
You weren't aware. Okay, yeah, because a lot of the brands make their clothes in India. So, because you need to understand a little bit more about the industry, and these are very basic facts. So, just kind of have a look at them. So, once you do this course, you may, let's say, you get a job opportunity in India, and you get a job opportunity in Sri Lanka and Bangladesh is almost giving you double the salary. What would you want to opt for?
I better choose India.
Hmm?
I choose India
Okay, and why?
because I love India. I love my country. I prefer to serve my country first.
Okay, all right. So I think that's about it. Abad sir had asked most of the questions. So we'll go to the feedback where they, okay. So you have decent knowledge and decent communication skills. Of course, we could hear somehow less, but I feel you need to come across more confident. Your language is all fine, but I don't know, you're a little nervous probably today.
Yes.
So just be a little bit more confident. Don't worry, it's an interview, and just study a little bit more about the course and the sector. Not too much into depth, but about the sector. Because I think from you look nervous the moment we're talking about the course more than anything else. So that means somewhere in your mind you're not very sure. So study more about it, and uh, and it's not a bad idea to have a backup option. So of course you can always decide what you want to say to the panel depending on the situation, but do think about it. So just know a little bit more about the course, because you're going to enter and give 2 years to it. You also need to know for your own sake also, not just for the admission, because that'll give you a sense you're going to do that for the next maybe 30-40 years of your life. So have more clarity.
That's a very correct feedback. Whether you need to have more confidence, and next time when you're coming for the PI, please try to have this eco problem sorted out, right? And should have the idea of how long you need to sit from your phone and things, right? This will actually have a very good communication things. And as you are actually from technology background, engineering background, we expect a lot from you, right? So even though anyone will expect you from this, so please try to have more knowledge about the industry, the production houses, and the things which is you're not aware of. That's very minor things you should know about, right? Please ask your mentors to do it. Rest of the things you are fine with. Please go. Thank you.